Welcome back to another tool review video. So today the tool we're going to be reviewing is my set square, Magnusson set square. Yeah, excuse the pencil marks and stuff. It's where I obviously I messed up. So yeah, I'd put it square, but then I would have went like that. So basically what this does is, let me find a bit of wood real quickly. A bit of pallet wood here. So basically you would, oh hello, Jesus, oh my goodness. So basically you would hold it up against there and you would draw your mark like there. Let me draw the mark for you. At the moment, I ain't very straight, is it? See now you've got a straight line like that down that bit there. So yeah, that's it for the So yeah, that's the review video. I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.